0 to 60.
Guys, we're test driving a really fast car. So this is a 2011 Infiniti M37x, which means it's all-wheel drive. It's got it's got way more than 100 horsepower. So it's got 330 horsepower, and it's actually kind of a different one because look how tall it is. It's like it almost feels like an SUV when you're driving it, and yeah, it feels huge. We were actually driving next to a small truck, and it was as if we were the same height as this little tiny truck, though. I like the wheels, and just look at the reflection, the glare and everything. It's so shiny. This is a fast car. It's a sports car, for sure. Well, it's a sports sedan, luxury sedan. And I've always loved these grills. They're so nice.
Ignore the missing bulb and the missing pattern.
We don't see anything. But look at this. Look at it. Like, it's only 13,000 for. So it's got like 118,000 miles, which kind of like explains the price. But it's so cool. Okay, like look at these back seats. Okay, the camera does not catch how nice these really are. The camera's making them look greenish, maybe. But they're like really, really fresh, super, super clean. In the camera, it's not quite exactly what I'm seeing though. And then like inside, look at the design right over here. It's so nice. And then like the curvature, this is just really luxurious. And you got like adjustments for the seat. Of course, you got like the electronic mirrors. You even can save the seat adjustments. When you get in, the steering wheel's like super tall, but as soon as you... Oh, hey, can you come a little bit closer with the key? It drops, and the seat actually pulls me closer and adjusts everything. Like, it's a nice speedometer. That is so nice. And then it's got a big screen. Like, here's my hand. That's definitely a big screen. And it's not like it's super stretched or anything like BMW does, and then they use a tiny little portion of the right side. They actually use the full screen. And then it's just super luxurious. I really like the style. Holy cow, it even comes with a phone. Just kidding, it's mine. I'm using someone else's phone to record this. And then it even says like Infiniti on the seats. And when you like push on the seat, it's like, has a ton of cushion. It's not like you put your head against it and it's like bang right into a rock. Because a lot of seats, the headrests are that way. They're super hard. Sport mode, eco mode, snow mode for like really low acceleration so you don't spin out, because this thing has power. But look at this. Air conditioner seats, heated seats for both the driver and the passenger. And like, there's just so many things that this thing has. It's so cool. But let's see what the engine looks like, because we have not looked at that. Oh, we shot it with the key inside.
Oh no, I can't.
You do?
For sure. I would never know that.
Oh my goodness, this is so dirty. We just went from an extremely clean car to a, hey, look how clean it really actually was.
Leaves in the corner. Leaves over here.
Wow, that's a lot of brake fluid.
No wonder it breaks. Oh.
Yeah, no wonder it stops so easy. This is just a huge engine cover. I'm really not sure how big this engine is, but it looks like, well, it is a V6, so I'm assuming it's it's a 3.7 liter engine. There's no turbo. It's all naturally aspirated, yet it has a lot of torque. Really powerful. And it actually has way better handling than the other or it has a lot better acceleration than the other, like some turbo powered cars that we drove today. Just absolutely amazing. It's so much faster. Of course, there are cars with a lot more power, but for this car, it handles really well with that kind of power, and it's super smooth.
Makes it so much better to have all-wheel drive.
Oh yeah, absolutely. I like this car.
Ooh, it's green.
Just being the passenger,
Oh my god.
totally looks like you're so close to hitting things. I'm just like,
hit 60.
so close. Oh, pushing like 70.
That is 70 right there.
Yeah, a little more than 70 now. Race car driver. I love that dash though, it's so cool.
It's so nice. I love the look. I don't like the little humps. You can kind of see them. That wasn't nearly as smooth then. That's smooth. Dang, that's smooth.
Oh, the sun is bright. I like that you can hear it and it's not just purely quiet.
Yeah, it's not this huge, noisy monstrosity, but it's still there.
Yeah.
It still is nice sound.
Shaking. I love how fast the RPMs shift. That was a 0 to 67. And that was going uphill.
Yeah.
Wow, we were going up on top of a bridge. Oh, I like this car. I really want to like feel the handling a little more. Just kidding. Everybody's turning left. Wow, chose a good time. I'm just gonna turn. Sheesh, why is my gas mileage suffering so badly?
It's not like you're flooring it or anything.
No, I'm not. Actually, okay, so we are going exactly 20 miles an hour. Oh wait, there's a stop sign. Of course I'm not gonna hit the gas.
Just blow right through it the first cup of the day.
Okay, 0 to 25. Right there.
Through the intersection. Bam. Already going the speed
Oh, I
limit.
love the sound though.
Yeah.
Like, just... There, I'll turn this way so I can actually like hit the gas again. Oh, I just kind of slipped instead.
Yeah, I don't know if you guys could hear. It spun out. Just completely spun out there.
Yeah, I think we hit an ant.
Spun out there too.
Holy cow, that was insane.
What'd you get up to?
40 miles an hour in first gear, and it was just spinning out the whole time.
Whoa. Need to try it with some traction control off.
Yeah, let's try this. Let's actually not spin out this time. Like, at least try not to.
Did you turn traction control off?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow. We need to clean these nasty windshields. Look how nasty this is. It's still dirty. Alright. I like the handling though.
Nah.
And the brakes.
So I held my arms in the same spot as my body, like the same distance from my body, so when I go forward, That's how much forward I was actually going. Except for that moment earlier when I just completely started going, wah! Other than that.
Okay, this one's a manual. That was really good.
That was 60 right there.
Probably freaked that guy out. We like flew past the guy who just pulled onto the road. 0 to 60.
I like how it's not as touchy with the brake. If you're coming up too quick, like, oh, I kind of want to slow down a little bit. You slow a little bit. It's not that jerk. All of a sudden, just boom, boom.
That's true.
It slows down gently.
There's one car that I test drove. It was this Mercedes AMG. Oh, it was so fast. Probably the fastest car I've driven and actually put on video, like on YouTube. You guys should definitely look at that one. It is a really nice BMW, and it is so fast. It had like 450 horsepower or something like that. It was so insane. And it was like all-wheel drive, so it didn't spin out. It just went and it just threw you into your seats really hard. It was so cool. It sounded good. It was like twin turboed.
I'd want to go uphill, but that looks like it's a freeway. I'm not in the mood for a freeway right now. Unless we do want to go on the freeway.
Well, we get up to speed and then we're stuck. And we're already going freeway speeds on roads that we're not supposed to. You went up to
right
like... Just keep speeding up.
Come up real close and then slow down.
I really love this style of the car though. Ooh, look at that, it's so nice. This whole car is super nice and luxurious. It looks so cool. Like, nobody cares about this clock, but it just looks awesome. It's just like watches. Nobody wears a watch because they need it to tell time. They have a cell phone for that.
It definitely automatically shifts if you don't shift it.
Oh,
manual
wow,
just allows you to
lock your trunk so you can't open your trunk.
Yeah. So people can't open the trunk and then get in to the back or something weird.
Ooh, look at this.
Right there it actually says
Sport mode, eco mode, snow mode. Is snow like slower than
there
eco?
we go. Sport.
I'm pretty sure it would be
Right
actually.
there, too. It says the gear you're in right there.
Ooh, nice.
Fucking just kidding.
It's like no.
It's like, I don't care what you say. It's not happening.
It's got like all the memory stuff.
Ooh.
That's cool. Oh, it's green.
Ventilated seats?
Ooh, what? Air conditioning and heating for both the passenger and the driver. Really like this style. Whoosh. Yeah, that's where I keep my shades, boy.
Oh, I like fifth gear better than that. Speed.
See what's in here. Cigarette lighter thing. I like how luxurious this all looks, though. Cool. XM, FM, AM, disc, auxiliary. Where's auxiliary? It's probably like in here. Whoa, look at that. Yep, auxiliary is probably down there. Right here. Right there. Oh, that's just USB. Yeah, just USB. I don't really see an auxiliary port then. I'm not sure where it would be. I know sometimes they'll have them like in here, but I don't see it either. Nope. Okay. Maybe it's just USB. I like this big screen too. I like the way that it sounds. It's just raw muscle in the engine. It's so powerful.
That's
Yeah.
not overpoweringly just loud, noisy for no reason.
Yeah.
Sound.
Like that Genesis. It's just ridiculously loud. I'm like, I
Seen that video,
tap
go
the gas.
Watch the Genesis video.
Yeah.
See how shaky the video
what
is.
did you just say?
If you haven't seen the Genesis video, go check it out. There'll probably be a link up in the corner or something, but or in the description.
I'll try to figure out how to do that.
If it's possible. If not, figure it out. It's worth it.
Ooh, look at all the
The
snow.
BMW one is more worth it, but you'll enjoy this and the quality of this better once you realize how loud and how shaky that Genesis was.
Tesla. We're gonna be driving one of those someday soon. I really want to test drive one.
The way the BMW handles and everything.
Yeah.
Much more.
So you like the way that this?
I like the way this handles a lot better than the Genesis, first off.
Yeah.
But not quite as much as the BMW in a lot of ways. It's smooth in this, but just not quite what I'd like. This is fun.
Thank you for watching my video, guys. If you liked it, please hit that like button and also subscribe if you want to watch more of my videos. In my description, I do have referral links. They have referral bonuses and ways for you to save money in life. Just simple ways of doing the exact same thing you already do every day.